Good morning, children. In quadratic equation, today we shall see about the sums involving the relation between the roots and the coefficients. Practice set 2.5. This question you see, sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Okay, first condition. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. So you all know that for any quadratic equation which is in standard form, for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the roots are denoted by alpha and beta, suppose. Here alpha is what? Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is what? With negative sign. Minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If these are the two roots alpha and beta, then we have studied in the last class what is the relation alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots can be expressed as minus b upon a, abc, right? And the second relation is what? Product of roots, that is alpha into beta, can be expressed as c upon a. So this is how the roots are related with the coefficients, right? Since this we are talking here about their sum and product only, so we shall use this method to find the value of k. So given equation, when you compare with standard form, okay, so in given equation, what is a? That is the first check out whether it is in standard form. It is in standard form. X square minus 4kx plus k plus 3. So what is a here? Coefficient of x square. What is that? 1. Okay. Then b and c also we will find. What is b? That is the coefficient of x. That is with minus sign you have to take here. Okay. So minus 4k. b is minus 4k. And what is c? See the full constant term other than x square and x you have to take. So it is k plus 3. Okay. c is k plus 3. This is how we have found the value of a, b, c. Therefore, what will be our sum of roots? Sum of roots, that I will write alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b upon a. So minus, again b itself is minus 4k upon a. A is what? 1. So simply alpha plus beta, sum of the roots has come what? Minus minus plus 4k. Okay. Then find similar way the product of roots also. Product of roots, that is alpha into beta, according to the statement is c upon a. What is c? K plus 3 upon a, that is 1. So alpha into beta has come what? K plus 3. Now go to the question. What is the statement saying? Sum of the roots of this equation is double their product. So sum of the roots, what is that? Alpha plus beta is equal to double. So multiplied by 2. Product of the roots. Alpha plus beta, what we have calculated? 4k is equal to 2 into alpha into beta is what? K plus 3. It's a binomial. Immediately put the bracket. You get 4k is equal to, open the bracket, 2 into k, 2k plus 2 3s are 6. Shift, linear equation it is. Gather the terms with k on one side. So 4k minus 2k equal to 6. That gives you 2k is equal to 6. That gives you k is equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. So what is the value of k? K is equal to 3. Okay. One more question you see. If alpha beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Now here what you need to understand that alpha beta are to be considered as root of given this equation. So let's find out what is the given equation. Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So as usual, the first step will be, we will be comparing it with the standard form. What is the value of a here? Coefficient of y square, that is 1. What is the value of b? Coefficient of y, okay, that is minus 2. And what is the constant term c? Minus 7. Since we need to find alpha square plus beta square in first case, so let's see first what we can find from given part. So we can find sum of these roots, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is what? Yes, minus b upon a. What is b? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2 upon a, that is 1. So what's the value of b coming here? Just 2. Again alpha into beta, that is what? C upon a. C is what? Minus 7 and a is what? 1. So what is the value of alpha into beta? This is coming as minus 7, right? Now using alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, you need to find alpha square plus beta square. So how do you get? I will just show you from where this formula comes. You can directly remember the formula. I am just going to show you how can you use it. You all may remember the formula a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Everybody knows that. Now in this, if I take a as alpha, b as beta, I get alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Now just go back to the question. What we have to find? Alpha square plus beta square. So you can find the value of alpha square plus beta square. As you know right now, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta's value. So I will make it more simple. Since I have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square, how do I get the formula? Alpha square plus beta square keeping this side. So what goes to the other side? Other side already alpha plus beta the whole square you have, and you shift minus 2 alpha beta. So this is the formula we are going to use, and from where this formula has come, that I have shown to you. Sometimes you need to use this. If you learn it by heart, that is good. Suppose in case you have forgotten this formula, so you will never forget, so you can derive from the same. So in order to find alpha square plus beta square, I can proceed now. Alpha plus beta the whole square. I know the value of alpha plus beta the whole square is 2 minus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is what? Minus 7. So what do I get? 2 square 4 minus minus plus 7 2s are 14. What is the first value we have obtained? 14 plus 4, 18 is the answer. So first answer you have found, alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. I hope it is clear to you. I repeat, you can derive the formula. I have explained here the derivation, or you may remember this formula anyways. Okay. The next value we have to find is alpha cube plus beta cube. Very simple. Same way we will derive the formula for this, which involves alpha plus beta and alpha into beta's value. So again recall the formula a plus b bracket cube. You have studied this. What is this formula? A cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b plus b cube. So here also what we have to find? A cube plus b cube, right? So we can get the formula converted. But before that, a plus b I will replace by alpha and beta. So I get alpha plus beta whole cube equals alpha cube plus 3 alpha into bracket alpha plus beta plus beta cube. And for this, making the subject, I get the formula alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. So this formula we are going to use right now. Alpha cube plus beta cube can be found because we know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So alpha cube plus beta cube, you get alpha plus beta the whole cube. Alpha plus beta, what is the value found here? 2. 2 cube minus 3 into alpha beta is what? Minus 7 into alpha plus beta is what again? 2. So on simplifying it, get 2's cube 8 minus minus plus 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So 8 plus 42. What is the answer? 50. So little different question these are, where you need to know the relation between the sum and product of the roots and the coefficient, and these are the two formulae. I have shown you the derivation. You can derive on the spot, or obviously in order to save time you may learn these formulae by heart.